So I wake up now and say, yo, I go by mechanic go pick up the car. I drop it off up there like 3 days ago. I tell I have some issues, you see me? So I get up and go pick up the car now. As me I walk out through the door. Babes, we are so early. I'm going to mechanic go pick up the car and come back. You try to work and come back here, man, come on, go on the road. Yo, me not depend on that, you know. Every time she go on the road, she want to go mall, she want to go fruit shopping, this shopping, that shopping, this kind of shopping, and New Year's. And yo, brother, me not depend on them something there, man. Yo, my girl, me not time to go on the road and live with them all day today and spend hours on the road, no, man. You have things to do, you know. Oh, well, I could have 10 hours when I on the road. You bring me on the road as a race back, you so turn around with me. Or the phone go, you go and come back. Backside, yo, I want to pick up the car and come back and come finish my sleep and then go do what I have to do for your side. Because I have plans, you know. One of the things to do with that, man.
Just done work for the boy shed care, you know. I know so you can know all of pay people, you know. But I have my money, you know.
Yes. So I'm reach on there. Yeah, me G, what you doing, me G? Hey, everything good?
The money security.
Fix something?
Yeah.
And the boss fix the car, make car ready back on the road and now so we got to yeah, yo. It works, yeah, man, it look that tough, you know. Yo, so yeah, man, you know. Yeah, how much I say for you?
Yeah, bills.
8 bills? No, man, I bet they are too expensive, dog. $800? $50 to sit up on the car. Yo, no, dog. 8 bills are Jamaican dollar?
What do you mean about Jamaican money? Jamaican money can't use a foreign, you know. Tell me about that boy there, you know. US dollar, man, you tell
Yes, well, yeah, man, no problem that with you. But yeah, man, yeah, me can be here next week.
Next week.
Yeah, man, next week, man, me pay next week, man.
But that is the last week, dog.
Hey, mechanic boy, I watch man pocket too much, you know. Oh, you know, send me a money in my pocket, eh? Where I worry about wine in my pocket for, eh? If you mind a business, man. Yeah, man,
Yeah, up with the money, man, you. Up with the money, man.
Yeah, man, sir. Yo, me can go now, go check in my money and come
No,
back.
dog, see money right, because I just pay me right now, no.
What me think? Yo, alright, see money that. I lucky say you see my money, you know. I don't tell you, any never see my money, but who the pay? Yes, me can take your car and go on.
Come on, go on with it, man.
Alright,
I'm good.
let's have a say,
Alright,
there.
I say a word.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know, so that boy that owe me $2 grand for the last time.
I cut, cause you know, I get the 2 grand I'm away from last time, man. That because you don't watch my pocket. Go for yourself. Backside, you look here, watch like. I gone.
It's alright, you know. I must see you again, you know. You don't live far from here, so I know you're there.
What is up with the headband thing? Where's the pan? Why is it that you're always wearing so? What that have to do with you? Eh? What that have to do with you? Enough, you know. You're too enough, man. You're better. Stop asking me foolishness, man. That's not enough to do this. So nobody come ask you about no headband, man. I'm here, man. You need to watch your mouth. Sure, you better me not come in and for this, you know. Alright. Okay. You better come in and for this, man. You finish the question, then, man. Sorry, fast. Sure. Ask her over there, man. You ask too much question, man. Yeah, man. I did it with you. If on the game I play online, I play FIFA, me and the dog, isn't it?
And a very good challenge.
I don't know what all of a sudden Punzi come in and kick off the door. Mad no hell, I'm like this. Dirty stinking Molly chef. How would I look around girl and me see her post up on your Instagram? Remember when you come in and I tell her say, oh, me feel like say Punzi that cheap on me. Me not gonna lie, couple months ago me and Punzi we have a break on. So that really coming in about my boy, I gotta tell you what about that already. I want you. Oh well, it no matter, it bother me, me just see that it bother me. Yeah, come me take someone clock in a year place, you know. What? Alright, I do it, mommy. Alright, let take it up. Let the next 10 minutes pass and I'll take it away and see what I mean I say here. But they end up in a one entanglement to that brown girl. Stop telling about entanglement, that cheat. So, yo, you see that something, yeah? Yo, Jada Pickett Smith, this said to the end, she and not come out right now, so why me can't say? You have Will Smith money? Eh? You have it? No, I don't have it. Alright, then backside, I want to come bring up conversation about a peer grade. Yo, what? Yo, tell me that, man. Yo, you can't believe that girl, you know, man. Don't know what's that one of the relationship like.